Good day, everyone. In this presentation, I will explain what compassion means in my own words, how it is expressed through caring for the environment and other people, and the important role of communal discernment in making PU and the world a more compassionate and human place. For me, compassion is more than simply feeling sorry for someone who is suffering. It is an ability to understand the feelings, situation, and needs of others and to have a genuine desire to help them. True compassion is not only expressed through words but also through actions. When we are compassionate, we do not ignore people who are struggling. Instead, we take the initiative to help and offer support, encouragement, and hope. It is important to understand that compassion is not limited to our family members, friends, or people we know personally. Compassion should be extended to everyone, especially those who experience poverty, discrimination, illness, loneliness, and other form of suffering. When we practice compassion, we learn to see others as human beings with dignity, value, and worth. We begin to recognize that every person deserves respect, kindness, and understanding regardless of their background or circumstances. Compassion can also be expressed through caring for the environment. Many people think that compassion only applies to human beings, but it also involves caring for natures. The environment provides us with clean air, water, food, and many of the resources we need to survive. When we neglect or abuse the environment, the consequences affect not only nature but also people, especially future generations. For example, properly disposing of waste is a simple act of compassion toward the environment, conserving water and electricity, recycling materials, planting trees, and reducing pollution are all ways of showing responsibility and care for our planet. Today, we face many environmental challenges such as climate change, flooding, deforestation, and pollution. These problems remind us that our actions have consequences. By taking care of the environment, we are also taking care of the people who depend on it. Caring for the environment is also a way of caring for others. A clean and healthy environment contributes to safer communities and better quality of life. When we protect natural resources today, we help ensure that generations will have the opportunity to enjoy a healthy and sustainable world. world. Therefore, environmental responsibility is not only an ecological issue, but also an expression of compassion and concern for humanity. In addition to caring for the environment, compassion is expressed through our relationship with other people. It can be shown by listening to a friend who is going through a difficult time, helping a classmate who is struggling with schoolwork, or supporting someone who feels alone. Compassion does not always require grand gestures or expensive gifts. Sometimes simply being present, listening attentively, and showing understanding can make a significant difference in a person's life. Within the school community, we could demonstrate compassion by treating our classmates, teachers, and staff members with respect and kindness. We can participate in outreach activities, volunteer programs, and community service projects. We can also stand against bullying, discrimination, and unfair treatment. A compassionate community is one where every individual feels valued, accepted, and safe. Now, let us talk about communal discernment. Communal discernment is the process in which a group of people come together to listen, reflect, discuss, and make decisions for the common good. It is it involves more than simply sharing opinions. It requires openness, careful listening, mutual respect, and a willingness to consider different perspectives before making decisions. And communal discernment is important because not all decisions should be made individually. When people work together, they can gain a deeper understanding of the issues and consider how their choices affect others. This process helps communities make decisions that are more responsible, fair, and beneficial to everyone involved. Uh, and at PU, communal discernment plays an important role in creating a caring and compassionate environment. Uh, when students, teachers, administrators, and staff work together and listen to one another, they can identify the real needs of the community and develop meaningful solutions. For example, school programs, policies, and activities become more effective when different voices are heard and respected. Through collaboration and dialogue, the university can become a place where everyone feels included and supported. On a border, on a broader scale, communal discernment is equally important in addressing global issues. The world faces many challenges such as poverty, inequality, conflict, climate change, and social injustice. These problems can be solved by a single person, organization, or country. They require cooperations, understanding, and collective actions through communal discernment. And people can come together to discuss problems, evaluate possible solutions, and work toward positive change. One of the most valuable aspects of communal discernment is that encourage us to listen to those who are directly affected by problems. Instead of focusing only on powerful individuals or institutions, it reminds us to hear the voices of the poor, the, margi- the marginalized, and those who often go unnoticed. This helps create decisions that are more compassionate and responsive to needs of society. Furthermore, communal discernment teaches us to think beyond our personal interests. Uh, it challenges us to consider what is best for the entire community. In doing so, it is strengthens solidarity, unity, and a shared sense of responsibility. It reminds us that we are interconnected and that our actions have an impact on the lives of others. In conclusion, compassion is the ability to understand the suffering and needs of others and to take action to help them. It is expressed through caring for other people, supporting those in need, and protecting the environment. Meanwhile, communal discernment is a process of collective reflection and decision making that helps ensure our actions promote the common good. Together, compassion and communal discernment can help make PU in the world more caring, just, just inclusive, and responsible communities. That's all, and thank you very much, and have a wonderful day.